So what are the best copyright free music rap beats that you can use in your videos coming up? So let's get started. So guys, as you just saw the video that coming up next, and also you heard that I'll be telling you some copyright free music rap beats that you can use in your videos. So here are the two channels, and actually the second one is not in channel, but the first one is called NCB, no copyright beats. So as you know by the name of the channel, and I'll be taking you through that channel. Okay guys, and now I just searched on YouTube audio library, and there is actually their channel, and I just found it, so I'm sharing with you guys. And here you go is the YouTube audio library that is for free, and you can choose any song from that and download it and use in your videos, and you will not get any copyright from the sound library of YouTube or even that channel which I am going to tell you. So here we go. Okay guys, so welcome back, and as you just heard from me that I'll be taking you guys through this channel, which is right open over here, which is no copyright beats, and that's the name of the channel. And the other one is the YouTube audio library. And actually, yeah, as you just saw that video, that clip that I just searched on YouTube, and they actually have their own YouTube channel. So I'll be also taking you through their channel as well. And but first, now let's go through this channel which I opened. This one, no copyright beats, and so as you see that I have, you can see over here, I subscribe them as because they have pretty good music. They only produce electronic music, so that's their theme, and they work with different artists and make their own music. And this channel is totally copyright free, so you can use their music and you will not get any copyright. I hope so. And so as you can see over here, they have 6,000 subscribers. So yeah, as I just told you guys that they have pretty good music. So let's just go through the channel. So I will just go in the videos, and you can see they have very different variety of music, and they upload every single day, as I am saying, because I subscribed them as you just saw, and I get the notification. So yeah guys, and as you see they have very different music. And yeah, as I'm scrolling you can see. So yes guys, this is their channel, and I have reviewed some of their videos, and yeah, I like them, so I'm sharing with you guys. And you can also check it out on YouTube and also on Instagram. They have their page by the name Real No Copyright Beats, so that's their username. And you can also check them out on Twitter too, but I'm not on Twitter, so you guys can check it out by seeing their videos. They put their username on every video, so you will get to know. And so now let's go to their about. And okay, so this is their description, and he says, welcome to my channel. I upload the best and free no copyright beats. uh okay, like not the best, but yeah, they are good. And as you just see, free no copyright beats. And yes, so this is totally copyright free channel. And so yeah, every YouTuber dream is to reach 100,000 subscribers. So that's true. and you will reach soon, bro. Like, you can also contact them on Instagram, as I just said, you guys. And then, yeah, here we go. I'll be uploading one video a day at 12 p.m. That's the UK time zone only. Okay, like, cool. So again, I said to you guys that this channel uploads every single day, so you will get variety of music every single day. And yeah, that's all. You can view their email address, and yeah, so this is the channel. And if you want to check out any playlist, you can do. They have created playlists, and then yeah, like this you can check out this channel. And if you like it, then you can yeah obviously subscribe, and you will get notification. So yeah guys, this is the channel for no copyright beats. And now let's move on to the YouTube audio library channel. And here we come. Okay guys, again, and welcome back. So again, as I said before, that now I'll take you through the YouTube audio library channel. And here we are, as you can see. And this is their official YouTube audio library channel, as you can see. And it's written above here also, this YouTube audio library. And let's again review the channel. And again, I have subscribed, and they have 77,000 subscribers, which is very cool. And here are their videos, as you can see. And these are also free to use. And you can also see over here there's free download, and you can then download it and then use it in your videos. So this is also totally free, and you can use them in your videos, in your background, or if you are traveling somewhere, or even for road trips. But I would not recommend this channel for road trips and like the songs they make, but I would recommend vlog no copyright sounds. So that's the channel I have mentioned it in a separate video, so you can check it out. The links will be in the description. And yeah guys, so this is the channel, and they have also a bunch of music for us creators like me or you also. So this is their channel, and you can also find your related situation music over here. And they have also like bunch of music again, as I said. And let's view their playlists. So this is their playlist. You can see over here the name, and then yeah, here are their names. You can check the playlists, and you can also check in the other sections, such as just now as I did over here, this create playlists. So if you like click over here, you can choose the playlist category. So yeah, like that you can view their playlist. And then what their about says is download background music for your videos for free. So yeah, as I said, and but there are some terms and conditions you need to follow. So I will just read it quickly. Your use of this music library, including the music files in this library, is subject to the YouTube terms of service. Music from this library is intended solely for use by you in videos and other content that you create. You may use music files from this library in your videos that you monetize on YouTube. So yeah guys, this is their terms and conditions. And they also say by downloading music from this library, you agree that you will not make available, distribute, or perform the music files from this library separately from videos and other content into which you have incorporated these music files, but not for standalone distribution. The second point is use music files from this library in an illegal manner or in connection with any illegal content. So, yeah, guys, so don't do like this. This is illegal, like I just read down over here, these 2 points, and you only follow this above terms and conditions, and you will be safe. And yeah, this is their channel. Okay guys, so this was a tutorial about. Hope you had got some value from this video. If you did, then give this video a like. If you are new to this channel and want more videos, then consider subscribing. And other than that, if you have any other questions, then do let me know in the comment section and we'll reply for sure. And now again, thanks for watching this video and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.